Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our detailed tutorial on the internal cleaning of the Gemma Steel Estival Conga 3690. In this session, we will explore the necessary tools and steps to achieve a thorough clean, ensuring your machine operates at its best. First, let's gather the tools you will need for this task. You will require a screwdriver set, specifically a Phillips and flathead screwdriver, a soft brush, a vacuum cleaner with a nozzle attachment, and cleaning wipes. If you don't have these tools readily available, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get what you need without hassle. Once you have your tools, the first step is to unplug the machine for safety. It's crucial to ensure that the device is completely powered down before starting any cleaning process. Next, we'll begin with the exterior. Use the soft brush to remove any dust or debris from the surface areas. This preparation is essential to prevent any particles from entering the internal components during the cleaning process. Now, let's move on to the internal components. Carefully remove the screws securing the outer casing of the Gemma Steel Estival Conga 3690. Here, a Phillips screwdriver will be most effective. Once you have removed the casing, gently lift it away to expose the internal parts. This step can be delicate, so take your time to avoid damaging any components. With the casing off, you'll notice various parts that may have accumulated dust and residue. Utilize the vacuum cleaner with the nozzle attachment to carefully suck away any debris. Make sure to focus on areas around the motor and the electrical connections, as these can significantly impact performance if not cleaned properly. If you feel uncertain about handling these components, you can always reach out for our professional diagnosis without obligation. After vacuuming, take the cleaning wipes and gently wipe down all accessible surfaces. Avoid using excessive moisture, as this can lead to short circuits or damage to electronic parts. Ensure you clean the fans and any filters present, as these are crucial for proper airflow. Once you've cleaned all internal components, it's time to reassemble the machine. Replace the outer casing and secure it with the screws you previously removed. Make sure all screws are tight but not overly so, as this can strip the threads. If you're unsure about the condition of your screws or need replacements, remember that we provide a quote before repair, allowing you to make informed decisions. Finally, plug the machine back in and perform a test run to ensure everything is functioning correctly. Listen for any unusual sounds and check for proper operation. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to contact us. Our service includes no calls, no travel, making it convenient for you to get the help you need from the comfort of your home. And that's it. You have successfully cleaned the internal components of your Gemma Steel Estival Conga 3690, ensuring it performs optimally for years to come. Remember, regular maintenance is key to prolonging the life of your equipment. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.